Welcome to English Mirror. Today we discuss a rare episode of history known as the Great Fire of 1666. The summer of 1666 had been very dry. The Great Fire raged for 5 days from 2 to 7 September. In those 5 days, almost half of London was destroyed. It is supposed to have begun in Pudding Lane. The first district to be destroyed was Lower Thames Street, where the houses were made chiefly of timber and plaster. It spread very rapidly as no one made an effort to stop it. Each person was more preoccupied with removing his own goods to a safer place. It destroyed the heart of the city from the Tower to Fleet Street. Westminster, the West End, and the slums of Whitechapel and Stepney were untouched. These slums might have been better off if they had been destroyed in the fire. For the terrible housing conditions, they remained unaltered for centuries. St. Paul's and 88 other churches were destroyed. 400 streets and 13,200 houses were destroyed. The people had to rebuild the city again brick by brick. A graphic account of the fire in the diary of Samuel Pepys. The churches, houses, and all on fire and flaming at once, and a horrid noise the flames made, and the cracking of houses at their ruin. The fire, however, proved a blessing in disguise as it wiped out the terrible plague for ever from London. It also gave the people an excellent opportunity to rebuild London. Christopher Wren, the architect, was just rising in popularity. He rebuilt St. Paul's Cathedral in the Renaissance style. It took 35 years for the cathedral to be completed. He designed 50 other churches in London. He also did a lot of work at the two universities of Oxford and Cambridge. Houses were rebuilt with bricks by the merchants. Sanitation also improved in the city by the enforced rebuilding of so many ancient dwellings. London emerged with better churches, buildings, and streets after the fire. Thank you for watching this video.